everyone, and welcome back to my scrappy space. I cannot believe that it is March already. March! I'm like, wait, rewind. I need to have February. It was a short month though, so I guess, you know, 2-3 days, it makes a big difference. It makes a big difference. So I wanted to share with you guys my collection obsession. If you've been following my channel for very long, you'll know that in January, it's a very, very busy month for me as far as work. And then I got super sick the beginning of February. And then my husband and I went with my bestie and her husband on a trip. So I have not had very much opportunity to scrapbook, but I did do some scrapbooking on vacation because I have to have scrapbooking in my life somewhere. And so my bestie and I take a couple of days and we do scrapbook. But of course you can't take everything, and you know, you would like to, but then again, the trailer that we're hauling with snowmobiles is not for scrapbooking material. I don't know. That's what my husband said. So anyways, I wanted to share with you the base pages that I made. And then I wanted to share with you what I'm going to be working with for the month of March. So I had some page map sketches that I had printed off, and I like to cut these up and I like to put the date on them, and I like to just paper clip them. It's easier for me because then I can just pop them in my paper kit. And this is what I created. I did use a couple of stickers, but I kind of leave this for the final touches, you know what I'm saying? And I do apologize. There will be a little bit of glare with my packaging. So I went ahead and I made a pocket page, which I will break down for you in just a second. And this is my first one. This is my little sketch. And here is my layout. And what I do is when I have things that I want to make sure that I put with this, not necessarily I'm going to use, but I have the idea. I put them on a piece of wax paper. Of course, Mrs. Janet from Love RTS showed us that little trick. And then, so this is my layout. My bestie and I, we were at a little shop. It's a couple miles. We go on little date nights with them, and we went up and there was this little coffee shop, and the boys of course took pictures of us because we have to take pictures at everything. And it had a little bistro sitting out in front of a coffee shop, and I'm like, oh, that'll be perfect. So I'll be adding these, and then I have some stickers. I just didn't have the photos with me because of being sick. I didn't have time to prepare at all. It was one of those things. But so that's my base page, and I love it. Did I share that already? I hope I did. Super cute, super cute. This is the next one. Here is my page maps sketch. And here is the page that I decided to do. And then, oh, I used some of this embossed white. You guys, I love that. Yeah, you can see. And so I did go ahead and I wrote the little measurements down there. And then I have some floral that I cut out. Did some fussy cutting, so that'll be fun. And then that'll go together really super easy. I just need a little title. I kind of have an idea of some little cute little floral pictures or being out in the garden. So I'll go ahead and get those printed off. And then this one, oh, I love this one. So cute. This is the sketch. Yeah, February 23. And then I went ahead and added the camera, and then I added that little You Color My World. I just love it. It's super cute, and it's just a simple 4x4. And when I do my base pages, I go ahead and do like 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 because I want just a smidgen of that white because it's such a busy little layout. So that'll be the start of it. Then I went ahead and I did a pocket page. Now, I love pocket pages. Oh, these were some little extras from, and I want to make sure to fussy cut those out. And these as well. So let's see if I can remember how I'm going to do this. Oh, happy day. I just love this collection, and this is one my bestie gave me. Now, I am going to probably put a photo over this. I have some journaling. This will probably have a photo. And then I just took a scrap piece and I ripped that. And then I have just some 2x2s. And then I have a couple of little floral pieces. Now, when I put this in my album, it may be this 6 by 12 here and this 6 by 12 on the other side, or it may be a 12 by 12. I haven't decided. I'll just go ahead and place that probably in a 6 by 12 because I'll probably have it more for someplace that I went, and I'll have more photos like the beach or something, but who knows, I might just throw it in my month in review and use it. So that is what I did for my collection obsession, and I love this collection. And then of course my bestie had this wonderful, wonderful collection that I am super envious, and I will be getting it. But that one's on my next wish list, and it's Let's Be Creative. It's newer, and I don't know, but the B-sides, oh, you guys, they are just so incredible, so incredible. But this kit was so much fun to play with, so much fun. And this is the collection that I was going to use for the month of March. Now, my bestie gave this to me, and for Christmas, but right now I am feeling in a very creative lull, and I know that I need a little bit more to kind of zhuzh me along. So what I'm going to do is I put the January 2023 page maps in here, and I want to bring in some other colors. I want to bring in some blues, I want to bring in some pinks, maybe some yellows, some teal. So I'm going to be adding to this kit, but I just kind of knew that I needed a little bit more. And look at this. This is so cute because it's just black and white. But that's the great thing about black and white is you can add anything to it. And this shows more of a boy, and this is more of a girl. Well, because it says boy and girl, I guess, huh? So, but look at this. Isn't this so cute? Oh, I already had some ideas with it. So I might go ahead and just do some base pages. Oh, so adorable. So adorable. So I guess I had already kind of played around with it a little bit. Isn't that cute? Oh. So I've never done just a black and white, or, you know, black and white and gray, and added other colors. So that'll be interesting to play with. But what I really, really wanted to do is I wanted to play with my new Hip Kit Club. So I'm going to keep this one for when I'm feeling kind of more creative. And I'm going to go ahead and play with the new February 2023 Hip Kit Club. And the reason I decided to do that is when I opened it, I loved it. And I thought, okay, Donna, you have become a hip kit hoarder. Yeah, I have. I'll admit it. I have. And I swore I wouldn't do that. But you guys, I just love this product. Look at this paper. Look at it. So cute. And I'm inspired by it. So sometimes you just have to go with what is inspiring you, even though you already had something scheduled. So that's what I'm going to do. But look at purple. Purple. Now, I have no idea what I'm going to be using these for. I just did all of my February and all of, well, I had already done my January, but I went ahead and I've done all of my February photos, which was very hard because I had a trip. Trips bog me down. I have too many photos that I want to print, and I want to do this and that and this and that. And what I made myself do this time is I printed them all 4x6. And then as I'm scrapbooking them, if I want a bigger one, then I'll order it. If I want a smaller one, I'll make note and put smaller. But at least these photos are printed and they're in my little hands, and I'm going forward. I'm happy about that. And it's only March 3rd right now. So I'm super excited. So I might use some of that for this, I don't know. Like I said, we went on a snowmobile trip, and these really aren't snowmobiling photos, but oh, this one would be super cute because it's a sweater. And I have pictures with my honey. So I might be using that. such a pretty one. Oh, that is so much fun. Oh, and then some of the things that we got in our kit was this adorable little stamp set, which of course, hello, there we go, right there. And then we got some, oh, I better put on my glasses, huh? I think these are vellum bits. Let me see. Yep, vellum words and shapes. So that'll be super fun. I have been building up my die section, and that's something I knew that I was going to be doing, and I really, really enjoy the Hip Kit Club's limited edition dies. They work fabulously, and so I really like them. I was kind of holding those off because of the glare. And so but I'm also thinking, okay, now, do you have these dies already? Which I don't. And is this something that you will utilize? And so I know with the hearts I will. And I had something similar to this, but I decided to go ahead and get it because, well, I guess the price was right. And then I also wanted this bow because I really think that I would utilize this one. But I know now that I have two very similar ones like this, and that I do have another little bow that was on a Tim Holtz, and it's kind of a little funky bow. So I'm good. No more little circles like this, and no more bows, Donna. No more. I can't tell myself about that with leaves though, because I have a leaf problem. I do. I can't help it. Okay, here are the chipboard, which I love. Love Hip Kit's chipboard. They're just so cute. Photo of the day. Oh, and look at this packaging. You can use, I don't know if you guys can see it. You can't see it. Oh, I'm so sorry. When I start playing with this, I'll show you the packaging. There's like little dotted pink lines in there. Oh, I wish you guys could see it. Sorry. I don't want to open it all up and all the crunchies and all that kind of thing. So sorry. And then here are the puffies. Are those the best or what? They just make you happy. They just make you happy. And then here are the dice. Now, I'm not sure what's all in here. So there will be crinkling with this one. I probably didn't even show that. Oh, I didn't even flip that over, you guys. Look at that. Adorable. I want to dump these dies out. Here we go. And let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We got some butterflies that don't want to fly out. See, this is why I can't stand this. So, we have some super adorable die cuts here. Look at all that you get. Oh my heavens. Oh, seriously. I really want a new puppy, you guys. Really do. And it's getting that time of year where I can actually get one. Our little beloved dog, Edward Johnson, passed, what, 3 years ago? 4 years ago? And kind of getting the itch. Not even gonna lie. Love this tribe of mine. So cute. But look at these. Aren't they just, there's just so many different ones, and they're so versatile. I love these little critters. Oh. When we came back from vacation, my cat, oh my Lanta. So she's super old, like I told you. Well, she has decided to let us know that she is no longer an outdoor cat. I mean, trust me, they have a furnace, hot furnace, wood furnace that is right next to them. So there's like no being cold or anything. But, and she has this bed that is a dog bed on top of a dog bed. So it's not like she's not a princess cat, you know what I'm saying? But she just didn't get petted every single moment that she wanted to. And so she let us know. Yeah, she's a little spoiled. But anyways, my son and daughter-in-law took care of the critters for us. They live right down the road. And I guess she was a little not happy about being thrown outside and stuff. So they let us know that too. But look at all these. So cute. So cute. And I have been taking a class by MK. It is regarding layering. And I've layered, and I think I do pretty good okay. But the thing is I really wanted to build my confidence. And you just never know where you're going to learn something. Oh, my little forever got beat up a little bit, but it's okay. I got it fixed. And see, you can put a little flower over it and you'd never know. So I've been learning a lot about building my clusters, and if you guys have the opportunity, it's definitely a great class to use and watch. I'm going to leave her link below. I just love her and what she does. Oh, my stars, look at that one. So many die cuts, you guys. I'm going to have a blast. I just know I'm going to have a blast. But let me finish up about MK. She, her and Janet Fritz, they have YouTube channels. I will list them below. And they are doing this class, and it is so fun. And the very first class that we did was so much fun. I just had a blast. And to me, if you can learn any little thing that helps you have more confidence in what you're doing, then I'm totally all about it. And I like to try to challenge myself and grow. There's nothing better than supporting your local friends and doing a class with them. So I will have that information listed below. It was super fun, and I encourage anybody to do it. So that is what I'm going to be using for March, and kind of give you a little update about where I'm at and what I'm doing. Please go make sure you check out all my crafty friends that are playing along with Collection Obsession. I hope you guys will give me a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you're having a super amazing day and you're out there making lots of memories. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.